I'm ready.
Monkey.
What's his name? What's his name, Logue?
We're still making the video, remember?
What's the monkey's name?
We're still making the video.
What's the monkey's name, though?
Hey, love you, dog.
Shut.
You got at your house from the bunny.
Yeah, what'd you get? That's what you can tell me. What'd you get at your house from the Easter Bunny?
The next video.
Logue, what'd you get at your house from the Easter Bunny?
I'm not finished with my video yet.
Whose money?
Mine.
You better put it up.
Logan, what'd you get from the Easter Bunny at your house?
I'm not done with my video.
Oh, no, you gotta tell me on the video.
I just got a bike and a scooter.
A bike and a scooter. Okay, you ready to say bye?
There you go.